How to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, click on Layout at the top in Microsoft Word. Then click on Orientation. After you click on Orientation, you will find two options. Portrait is the default one. What you need to do is click on Landscape, which is the second option. After you click on Landscape, it will be changed into Landscape. As you can see, the layout has widened. And in this way, you can simply change page orientation. If you want in Portrait, you can simply go to Orientation again and change it to Portrait as well. This is how to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.